Click the More Options button. You can delete a contact only if it is not linked to any record. If you have a similar contact that you want to merge with this one, click Merge Contact. Select the contact you want to merge. A confirmation pop-up will appear. If you are sure, click Yes. Click the Edit button if you need to make changes to the contact. Make your changes, then click Save. Click the More Options button on the record you want to manage. You can unlink the contact from the record, set it as the primary contact, or open the record in a new tab. In a record such as a customer, click the More Options button to manage the primary contact. You can edit the contact, open it in a new tab, or change its relationship with the record. Make your changes, then click Save. If the record has more than one contact, you can also manage them from the Contacts tab. Click the More Options button for the contact you want to manage. Click View to display the contact details. Here, you can also click the More Options button to manage the contact.